Ever found yourself staring at one of these? These cryptic little squares that seem to hold all secrets of the internet? Yeah, I'm talking about QR codes. And if you ever fumbled around trying to scan one, you're not alone. But what if I told you your iPhone is secretly a super powered QR code detector, ready to unlock whatever is hidden inside in a mere seconds? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be scanning QR codes like a tech wizard, and you won't believe how easy it is. First up, let's dive into the method you probably already have open multiple times a day: your iPhone's built-in camera app. No extra downloads, no fuss, just pure simple scanning power. You can launch your camera from practically anywhere. Now here's the magic. Simply point your camera at the QR code. You don't need to tap anything, there's no need to zoom in. And tap open in Chrome. And boom, you're instantly transported to whatever information the QR code is hiding. In this case, is leading you to an application you need to download to set up this Wi-Fi doorbell. It's that simple. Alright, so the camera app is fantastic for quick scans, but what if you want to elevate your QR code game and have a dedicated scanner always at your fingertips, even faster than the camera app for certain situations? Enter the code scanner, nestled perfectly in your control center. Firstly, let's open up Control Center. Don't see the code scanner? No problem. It's easy to add. Click the plus icon on the top left and hit Add a Control. And you'll see Scan Code. Click on that, and there you have it. The code scanner is added, and simply do the same thing as you did prior. Hit the code scanner, and again, and there you have it. It launched the application. This dedicated scanner is incredibly precise. Position the QR code in the frame, and just like that, it automatically detects and reads. No extra steps needed. It's streamlined, efficient, and perfect when you're on the go and need to scan something lightning fast. And there you have it, the two absolute easiest, most seamless ways to scan any QR code with your iPhone. No fumbling, no more frustrating apps, just pure effortless scanning power right in your pocket. Did you know you can scan documents with your iPhone? Check out this video here to learn how.